Kumusta mga tol? Right now, we are back for another video of Craziness and Happiness. This time mga tol, after 10, 11 months, 11 months of staying here in Czech Republic mga tol, sa wakas, makakabalik tayo ng Thailand at mamimit natin si Tol Nilasha ulit. Ayan. I'm so excited actually. And I wasn't able to sleep last night. I had like only, I think, 5 hours of sleep. So anyways, it's okay. I will just sleep on the airplane later. Ayun, so mga tol, sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon, makakabalik tayo at mamimit po natin si Tol Nilasha mamaya. So, update ko po kayo mga tol. Nag-aantay na lang po ako ng aking Bolt papunta sa airport kasi umuulan po kung napapansin nyo. Ayan. So after ng heatwave dito sa Europe, start na ang umulan. Buti nga umulan kasi napakainit talaga. Napakarami pong namatay dito kasi dahil sa init. So ayan, let's go. Samahan nyo po ako mga tol. See you in Thailand. Bye bye. We are here in the airport. Oh, I remember mga tol, yung paglabas ko dito last time. Ayan oh. Paglabas ko dyan, doon kami naglakad. Let's go inside. Beautiful Skoda. At pagpasok nga natin ng airport mga tol, dali-dali na tayo nag-check-in dahil bukas na ang ating check-in gate. At aking pong iniwan ang aking luggage at nag-breakfast saglit at tinanaw ang ating eroplanong sasakyan. At pagkatapos ng ating breakfast, dali-dali na tayong dumiretso doon sa immigration para makapagpa-check mga tol. At sa wakas sa ating paghihintay mga tol, ayan, tayo magbo-board na sa ating eroplano, check ang passport, ang ating boarding pass, at ang ating upuan ay nasa 23J at ang ating eroplano ay syempre Qatar Airways, baka naman. Nung pag-alis nga pala namin ng Prague mga tol ay medyo makulimlim at medyo masama ang panahon at medyo na-delay ang aming flight ng 30 minutes. Pero hindi yan naging dahilan para hindi matuloy ang ating flight, sabi ng kapitan. Let's go! Sago! At dumating po kami ng Qatar pagkatapos ng 6 na oras. At sa wakas mga tol, lumapag tayo dito sa Doha, Qatar at tayo nag-ikot-ikot dito sa airport at nakakita tayo ng napakagandang Maserati. Marami rin nga pala mga tol, kababayan natin na na-meet ko dito habang sa aking pag-iikot na dito sila naninirahan at nagtatrabaho sa bansang Qatar. At ayan mga tol, ni-ready na naman natin ating passport dahil mag-check na naman tayo. Another flight for another 6 hours going to Bangkok, Thailand. See you there mga tol. So ayan mga tol, we just passed the immigration check. And we are just waiting for my luggage. Where is my luggage? So, got my luggage mga tol. Took so long. Ayan, so let's go and meet Tol Nilasha. When we got here, nandito na si Tol Nilasha. Tignan natin. Where is she? 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 You can see her there. And I don't know if you can see her. That one.
Go with the bunny. Bye, Mama Tol. Okay, let's The generation is here.
Oh, good.
Why are you shaking, babe?
At last mga tol, we're together again! Somebody's happy.
Let's eat.
Alright, let's go. Okay, for our first food together, let's go to Magic. Mga tol, I miss something. I really miss something in Thailand. You know,
camera makes me look
the smile of the people. You won't able to see it, and you won't be able to get that while you are in Europe. Very seldom. Yeah, so I'm back. Happy. You can see my face here, and on the other side, it's totally different. So right away, Thailand, fruit muna tayo mga tol. Ayan o. Mga tol, another thing that we missed in Thailand, or me, 7-Eleven! We're in 7-Eleven! You want snack? Whatever? Whenever? 7-Eleven. And it's very cheap. Right? Miss. Hi. Oh. Let's see what will be the reaction of my dog. Hi. Let's see what will be his reaction. Let's see. Who is it? Who is it? You is daddy. Cookie. Who is daddy? Oh. So, ayan mga tol. Dinner date. First meal in Thailand.
Like a proper meal. Not 7-Eleven meal.
Yeah. So, ayan mga tol. Salmon salad. Salmon skin salad. Dip in the soup. Happy tummy. So, this is our food. Krapao.